Welcome today in front of me Google Pixel 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should launch the Gmail application, and then here on the right upper corner tap on this icon, and you can see right now that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now I'll just show you how to log out from one from these accounts. Now, just to do that, you should here tap once on the Manage Accounts on this device section, and just tap here on the on one from these accounts. For example, we wanna just log out from the sorry, that's some notifications. You just should tap on one from these accounts what you wanna log out. For example, we can log out from the first one. Just tap there and just tap here to remove account and confirm by tap here again. And as can you see here, we got only one account right now, and now we'll just go into the application back to see the result. Yes, can you see, we just stay at the moment only with one account and we are logged out from the second one. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.